Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you where to find the Revolver 9 times out of 10 in Desolation Point here on the Long Dark. Desolation Point is one of my favorite starting locations, not necessarily because it's big, but just because it's so jam-packed with so many interesting locations, and once you fully explore it, which may take about 2 to 3 in-game days, you really can walk away with a lot of tools and maybe even a couple different weapons. And so let's go ahead and jump in here and see exactly where the game is going to start us. Depending where you start, that's how far it is to try to find the Revolver. A lot of times you start near the mine, and from there it's pretty easy, but today it looks like we're going to be starting way over here on the little island. You can see the lighthouse there in the distance. Processing plant is sort of back behind us. Checking our inventory real quick and looking at the weather too. Weather's pretty cold. Our temperature's dropping pretty fast. We don't have any kind of torch to ward off any wolves, so we're just going to go ahead and start heading to the church. The church is where we're going to find the Revolver. Since the weather is so bad and it is so windy, we're going to pick up the pace and see if we can't get there a little bit sooner so this blizzard doesn't wipe us out. Got a little waterfall over there. Another great feature of Desolation Point is this part of the lake or ocean or what have you is totally frozen, and so you've got good visibility. Wolves really aren't going to be able to sneak up on you as easily when you're out here on the lake. And just up over in that location is the entrance to the lighthouse. Sometimes there's wolves that spawn over that way, so to avoid them we're going to just run around them, run under this bridge. We really don't have any great way to defend ourselves, so now is not the time to get in a fight with a wolf. So we'll go between here. Temperature is still dropping us down. But yeah, like I said, Desolation Point is one of my favorite starting locations, mainly because there's really only one direction to go. You can see the church up there just kind of between those trees. There's really only one direction to go from here, and so you're not having to be torn in different locations. Do I go north? Do I go south? Do I go east? Do I go west? But you can explore this very quickly, 2 to 3 in-game days, get lots of great stuff, and then you can kind of move on with your game. Got a deer here, spook the deer. Looks like we got some cedar. Okay, probably need to make a fire soon once we actually get to our location so we don't freeze to death. Pick up the pace a little bit here. Okay, we've done our best to evade the wolves that were probably on the road or right there next to that lighthouse, and so we're going to go right through that gap. I'm going to check both ways, see if we see any wolves. So what we'll do is we'll walk through here, and there is an old mine shaft just up here on the right. We are going to walk past that and take a right. And as soon as we do, there is our church. Okay, our temperature is dipping in the red now, and so we've got hypothermia beginning to settle in, so we're going to pick up the pace again. We need to get warm. We might need to collect some sticks or something to start a fire. Here we go. Okay, so you can go through this churchyard, walk past some of these graves, and the back of the church is blown open. And what you'll do is look over here at this frozen corpse, and bada bing bada boom, there is your Revolver. Okay, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.